everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Kim and this is a short meditation for stress relief. Come to a comfortable seat, maybe sit up on a block or a meditation cushion. Rest your hands on your thighs with the palms facing down or up. Take a moment to consciously close your eyes as you turn your attention to your inner self. Now focus on your breath, the air moving in and out through your nose, and simply take notice of how you're feeling right now in this moment, without any judgment. If you find that your thoughts are still wandering, bring your awareness back to your breath. Notice what it feels like when you inhale through the nose, sending the breath all the way down to your low belly, and letting that breath exhale the same way. Now I will guide you through a breathing exercise with an inhale for a slow count of 4, a hold for a count of 2, and an exhale for a count of 6. If you don't feel comfortable with these counts, please feel free to adapt it how it's most suitable for you. I will count the breaths for you for the first few rounds and then you can continue on your own. So we start by sighing out the mouth, exhale, let all the breath out, and then let's begin. Inhaling for 1, 2, 3, 4, hold, 1, 2, exhale, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, hold 1, 2, exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, inhale 1, 2, 3, 4, hold 1, 2, exhale 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now continue on your own a few more rounds. Relax your neck and shoulders as you breathe. Sit bones grounding even further down into the floor or the chair. Take your last round. Slowly come back to your natural flow of breath. Release the breathing pattern. Notice if you feel any different now as opposed to when you first started this short meditation. You may feel more calm, relaxed, or simply just more at peace. And maybe not, and that's fine too. Palms come together in front of the heart. Dip the chin slightly. Take one last big breath in. And when you're ready, you can open your eyes again. Namaste. I hope you enjoyed this 5-minute meditation. If you did, please remember to subscribe to my channel, like this video and share it with anyone who could need more stillness in their lives. Practice again with you soon. Namaste.